In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable iCloud Keychain. iCloud Keychain, now called iCloud Passwords and Keychain, securely stores your passwords and passkeys and keeps them up to date across your Apple devices. Turning it on means you can sign in faster, rely less on memory, and enjoy strong, encrypted syncing handled by Apple. Before we dive in, a few quick recommendations from Apple to help everything work smoothly. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest version of iOS or iPadOS so the menus and features match what you see here. Turn on two-factor authentication for your Apple account for added protection and to make identity checks easier. And finally, stay signed in with the same Apple ID on all devices you want to sync. These aren't extra steps for today, just best practices so you get a seamless experience. Now, let's enable iCloud Passwords and Keychain on your iPhone or iPad. Start by opening the Settings app. At the very top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. This is where iCloud and all your account controls live. Next, tap iCloud. Inside iCloud, look for Passwords. Depending on your software version, it may appear as Passwords and Keychain. Go ahead and tap it. Here, simply turn on Sync This iPhone. On some older versions, the toggle may be labeled iCloud Keychain. Either way, you're enabling the same feature. Follow any on-screen instructions. Apple may ask for your device passcode or your Apple ID password to confirm it's really you. You might also be prompted to approve from another device signed in with the same Apple ID, which is a normal security step. Just continue with the prompts until the toggle stays on. Once it's enabled, your passwords and passkeys begin syncing in the background. If you've used iCloud Keychain before, your saved items will download to this device. If you're new to it, any passwords you save in Safari or supported apps from this point on will automatically sync to your other Apple devices that have the feature turned on with the same Apple ID. This syncing is protected with end-to-end encryption, which means only you can access your secrets. If the option doesn't appear right away or seems grayed out, update your device and make sure two-factor authentication is on for your account, then check again. And remember to stay signed in with the same Apple ID everywhere you want your passwords to follow you. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of iCloud Passwords and Keychain, keeping your sign-ins safe and in sync.